Crowder.
Aye.
Ms. Stewart.
Aye.
Ms. Meadows.
Aye.
Ms. Thomas.
Aye.
I vote aye. Mr. President.
Aye, motion carried. Motion of approval of amended contract, Head Start.
Mr. President, I move that the Willow Run Board of Education approve the amendment to the contract between Willow Run Community Schools and the County of Washtenaw as follows. Amend Article 2, compensation, to amend the contract as follows. Upon completion of the above services and submission of invoices, the county will pay the contractor an amount not to exceed $472,553. Section 2, non-federal funds, the contractor will contribute at least $118,138 to the program funds in cash and/or in kind, equal to a total 2010-2011 Head Start program. Support.
It has been moved and supported that the Willow Run Board of Education approve the amendment to the contract between Willow Run Community Schools and the County of Washtenaw. Discussion.
I was unclear. Does this mean we get more or less money?
What is changing in the contract?
Ms. Smith, would you like to speak on that, please?
The contract that you voted on previously in the beginning of the year was more, but it was an oversight by the financial person for the grantee. The amended budget is approximately $63,000 less because the county did not receive the grant money that they received last year, and inadvertently the funds that we received last year, ERA monies and one-time fund monies, were inadvertently put into this year's budget that should not have been. So it's an oversight at the grantee level.
And so this impacts us?
It's the same as it was last year without the ERA money and the one-time funds. It's not a decrease to the program. We just had to reconfigure our line items and budgets.
Okay,
It's not to impact services or field trips or anything for the kids.
But it's not costing us additional money?
No.
That's
There's oversight on their, and they apologize profusely for that oversight.
they better come here and grovel.
Over to the teaching plan.
Any other discussion? Roll call.
The money that is not going to be in the budget now, will that cause a hardship?
No. And of course, we would like additional money, but this is not, we weren't granted that money at the grantee level this year, so federal funds.
Roll call.
Is there a second on that?
Yes, me.
Ms. Pryor.
Aye.
Ms. Meadows.
Aye.
Mr. Myers.
Abstain.
Ms. Stewart.
Aye.
Ms. Thomas.
Aye.
I vote aye. Mr. President.
Aye, motion carries. Motion for approval of monthly bills payable.
Mr. President, I move that the Willow Run Board of Education approve the following general fund checks. Check number 54514, through and including check number 54642, with the exception of voided checks as noted on page 6 of the general fund check register, totaling $1,600,387.53, and no building and site checks.
Support. It has been moved and supported that the Willow Run Board of Education approve the following general fund checks. Check number 54514 through the including check number 54642, with the exception of voided checks as noted on page 6 of the general fund check register, totaling $1,600,387.53, and no building and site checks. All in favor?
Aye.
Those opposed? Motion carries. A motion for approval of appointment resource room teacher.
Mr. President, I move that the Willow Run Board of Education accept the recommendation of the superintendent to appoint Julie Volker as the resource room teacher, annual salary of $33,366, according to the WREA salary schedule, bachelor's level 0, effective
Support.
It has been moved and supported that the Willow Run Board of Education accept the recommendation of the superintendent to appoint Julie Volker as resource room teacher, annual salary of $33,366 according to the WREA salary schedule, bachelor's level 0, effective January 28, 2011. Is she here?
Ms. Volker called me on my cell phone this afternoon. She was currently working in Albion, Michigan, and there was a new teacher coming in. She wanted to make sure that the new teacher was all set up to replace her, and then she needed to close with her supervisor at that residential facility. She offers her apologies for not being here. She really wanted to be here, and if she could, maybe at a later date, come to meet the school board, that would be wonderful. I know she'd love it.
We'd like to meet her.
Yeah,
Okay.
we would like to meet her, so tell her we're looking forward to seeing her.
Most definitely, I will do that. All right, thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Roll call.
Ms. Brown?
Aye.
Ms. Mellis?
Aye.
Mr. Myers?
Aye.
Ms. Stewart?
Aye.
Ms. Mellis?
Aye.
I vote aye, Mr. President.
Aye. Motion carries.
That's all of it.
That's why I wanted to see it. Citizens time, do we have any green sheets? Dr. Joe?
No problem. On December 13th, which was the last board meeting, the last regime, who Clifford and Sherry were here, I tried to get here. It was bad weather. I